Hello everyone, welcome back to AIP Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install AutoCAD Electrical 2024 on your Windows PC, step-by-step guide. So if you are an electrical engineer, designer, an electrical technician, or an engineering student that you are interested in learning how to set up AutoCAD Electrical, then this video is for you. Alright, so before we get started, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly use this moment to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And also, to get access to this software you are seeing on this video, kindly click the link that will be dropped in the comment section of this video. Alright, so now let's get started. Before the installation, there are some settings you have to do. So first of all, come to your virus and threat protection, search for it, and turn off every of these protections. So scroll down, click manage settings, and turn everything off. Turn off the real-time protection, everything. Turn off everything that you're seeing, so before you can install the software. So as you can see, so close the, and then the next thing you have to do is make sure you are not connected to the internet whenever you want to install this AutoCAD software. So make sure you're not connected, and then click your software, extract the file, click on extract here. So we wait for you to extract. So let's wait for the file to be extracted. All right, okay, it has successfully extracted. So click on the setup, right click and run it as administrator. So run it as administrator. So we have to wait for it to load the AutoCAD software. All right, let's wait. Okay, okay, check and click on next. Okay, click on next, check the box and click on install. So we have to wait till it finish installing. So let's wait. All right, it has successfully installed, completed the installation. So let's wait for it to finalize the AutoCAD Electrical 2024. So we have to wait till it finish loading. All right, it has successfully installed. So close the installation. Don't launch it straight, don't start it immediately. Close that installation. So now come back to your folder and click on the crack folder. Click on Autodesk license patcher installer, and then click on that installer and run it as administrator. So that process is the process of cracking the AutoCAD software. So you have to follow every of the procedure, and then you have to wait for this procedure is execute every of these procedures. You have to wait for it to execute until it pop up completed. So you have to wait for it. So let's wait for it to complete the program. Okay, so like I said, for you to get access to this software, kindly click the link in the comment section of this video. So we'll be giving everyone that comments that come into our DM, so you will get the access to this software in our DM. And also we also offer remote installation for people that will not be able to install the software on their own. We offer remote installation, so your distance is not a barrier for the installation. If you want us to help you to install your AutoCAD software, so we can also do that for you. So let's wait for you to finish the execution of this program. So you have to wait, don't touch anything, make sure you're not touching anything. All right, it's completed. So we are done with this aspect. Also, you can also check readme to follow the procedures, and then we click on the software itself and run it as administrator. Click on OK. All right, so we are waiting for it to load to pop up the software. All right, okay, let's wait. so you have to wait. Okay. All right, so let's wait. Okay, click on the first option, recommended one. All right, so in this aspect, let's get started. Click on license, network license. Click on select. All right, so wait for it updating the installation. All right, so let's check. So you'll come to this the upper corner now. Yeah, so let's check the license and click on about AutoCAD Electrical 2024. All right, so we are looking for manage license. Okay, manage license. Click on it. So what just want to show us that this installation is permanent. Can you see the license behavior is permanent? License expiration date is not. That means it cannot expire. You are using it for a long time. So just close it. So let me show. Can you see that it's fully working? It's fully working. Can you see it now? So your AutoCAD 2024, your AutoCAD Electrical 2024 is fully working. Can you see? Can you see in the video? So let's try and test some other things in this. So many of you that find it difficult to install it, so this is how to install it. So for you to get access to this software, kindly like, comment and share this video, and also click the link in the comment section of this video to get access to this software. Like I said, we also offer remote installation. So if you are living in another country and want us to install it for you, you can also message us. All right, so that's it. That's how to install. Okay, can you see? Let's check it one more time. Let's see whether it will pop up any error. All right, can you see? Can you see? So if you're an electrical engineer, electrical designer, electrical engineering student, so this is how to install AutoCAD Electrical 2024. That's it. So you cannot conveniently install AutoCAD Electrical 2024 on your Windows PC. Alright, so if you find this video truly helpful, please kindly subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Like I said, if you want to get access to this software, kindly click the link in the comment section of this video. Thank you.